Jerk off the hen.
Nah, bro, you get your dead grandma with Parkinson's to do that for you.
Oh, that's not funny.
Yeah, it is. And your grandma in a grave. He's literally right next to you. What are you doing? Wow. No. Did you get some AirPods, Pebble?
Nah, look at his
No,
head.
I went to go beat my dick. I
Spend
can't
some
even
money on
afford a phone.
How can you afford a PC and internet connection to play
Stole
this?
it.
I'm carrying, mate.
Ah,
We're not
Get outta
fucking
here.
in.
yeah. Purple,
there's
Purple, I'll send you a cent if that can help you get AirPods.
Yo, I was in Africa. I saw my dad,
I am the captain now. I cannot afford water.
and I was like, "Yo, bitch, give me those AirPods." So he just beat me.
You a gamer grill.
Okay, this is weird. I'm just gonna go A site. I have no clue where I'm meant to go.
Yo, who's Yeet? Who's
I'm
Yeet?
Yeet.
Why? Why? Why?
They put barriers on the edges.
Wait. Are you, can you,
No, I can't do that.
what colors are you guys?
That's kind of racist for asking.
Ghost me, ghost me.
Orange.
I'm
Ghost me. Thanks, Chief. Chief.
Okay. Jump.
Don't. I bought another
Yeah,
DAC. Oh my god, we have 3 DACs.
Why does
Yeah, I'm
everyone?
happy.
Alright, everyone has a DAC, let's go.
Why does everyone have a DAC? DAC on the haters. Jump.
Don't.
Bro, what the fuck? Bag him for fucking 2, man. He's lit. Someone should buy me.
How much she cost?
And-
Alright, shoot.
He's behind that little box.
And
Just
what?
No scope him.
The map.
No scoop. No scoop.
Off the Tagged him 99. Tagged him 99. You could breathe on the dude and he'd be dead.
You want me to show you the best hiding spot?
Off the edge.
Where?
Follow me. Just sword off online.
You wanna die?
I got the golden scar! Ah! You want my scar?
Nah, I got a better gun.
You shut your mouth. On there is a boo.
There's a can just rolling.
Yeah, I'm going in with Psycho. I love him. Oh no, I'll go in with these homies.
Yo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Close the
let's
door,
just
close the
stay here. Stay here. Everyone, no one move.
Shh, shh,
Oi.
shh.
Let them come to us, like literally.
Bro, I got a flashlight, don't worry.
A flashlight? What?
Excuse
Yeah,
me,
I'll sh-
Psycho. Psycho, are you trying to prank me? You don't have a butterfly knife.
I think
Yeah, I
your
do.
gun's sticking
It's
out.
only called
Why are
CP.
your gun sticking?
Oh, my gun's sticking out. Look down, look down. Look, open the door. No. He's going up the stairs. Shit,
Uh oh.
misclick.
Shh.
Why is your leg in my toilet, bro?
Shh.
Shut up!
There's 2 of them. There's 3 of
Okay,
them.
ready? Ready? Ready?
I don't have a weapon.
There's 5.
Where'd my gun go?
Ready?
There's so
I
many.
lost my gun.
I can't see! I can't see!
Shh, shh. Uh oh. The door opened. The door's open. You opened the door. Stop it. Uh oh. Alright, we leaving?
How did they not know
Get
we're
out! Let's
here?
go! Let's go!
They're dumb, bro.
Okay, one's at that bottom.
Don't worry, gamers, we got him.
We got him. We pranked him. Alright, go this way. Oh yeah.
Damn, this.
Did you?
Bomb's got it.
There's no way we win this round.
There's no way.
Nah, this shit.
No.
Did we hid in toilets for like a minute and a half?
Is that? Nice. The other guy's
Nice.
got
No way.
orb. Last guy's got orb. It's
Knife.
coming. It's
Knife him.
coming from ramp. It's coming from ramp. Flash him.
Knife.
Don't throw this
Oh, yeah,
away, dude.
Fucking orb.
Just run after him!
No! No!
Rude. Bro, why are you Dr. Fabros when you're Indian? Why not Dr. Curry?
Yeah, Dr. Curry Mantra.
That's not a bad idea.
I'm very good again, my promise. I promise.
Me too, by the Dr. Fried Rice!
Hey, stop body blocking me, man.
Hello.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
One jungle, one stairs.
That is not very cash money of you.
Okay, fellas, fellas.
That is really
How does it
nice.
sound? How does it sound? We all go unders.
Nah. Whoa, dog, that's 9, 3, and 6, holy shit!
Can you guys be quiet?
You're gonna give me a...
Smash and dash, not really smashing right now, not gonna lie.
I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Nice.
All of you are very silly babies.
Yes, Ito. Dr. Curry is trash, Ito. He eats toes, he eats toes. Dr. Curry is trash, trash, trash.
Do you mind stopping, please?
Okay, rush in 3, 2, 1, go orange.
In 3, 2, 1, go orange. Neck yourself. I hope you die.
Oh, I was awarded.
Boost him,
Stuck
boost
in this
him!
corner, dude.
Hey, kill him, you see him. He's in
No, you
sniper.
guys just.
What? I'm just gonna stand here.
Are you.
Trolling in my CS4
'Cause I'm
CS match. And now I'm going to break every flower pot to ever exist. I'm good to know.
Shut up, Dr. Curry.
I heard the no!
I have chlamydia.
Hey, Purple, do some dancing. Do some dancing.
Look, a little is honestly a weapon, dude. A weapon.
It is a weapon, it's there.
What the fuck? Where are you?
Okay. $200 IQ warrior.
Faggot.
Oh my god. How did that happen?
Because you gave it to me, Dr. Curry.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Take away
No,
my
I
Gave
gun.
him chlamydia, Dr. Curry. He gave him
Dr.
chlamydia.
Garley would never
Come on,
get
Dr.
like such a
Curry.
dangerous dish.
Nicholas
it's not
Gra-
like no one's ever tried that before.
You're trash.
Okay, you're starting to sound American.
No. Stop saying that to me. You're a big bully man.
Sorry.
You're the big bully man.
Big
Oh,
bully,
yeah.
bully man.
You're bully man.
You're a bully man.
Hello, I'm Nigerian prince. What the fuck is that? Okay, you're tagged 83, that is bullshit. He is in mid. He is in mid. Tag 4, 83 in mid.
Okay, I'm coming mid.
3 mid.
Words.
Oh, they're still coming for me.
Okay, you, Blue go B. I'm gonna get a mid, hopefully.
One's half
What
health.
do you mean? Oh, thank God.
Hell yeah!
Yo, it's Gary come home.
He has
Yeah, done.
Soundmates. He has the crap knockoff version. That could potentially explode in your ear.
Hey.
I don't even fucking know what they are! You buy AirPods to replace the fact that nobody fucking loves you.
I mean, they bought.
You have the need to buy material possession because your friends don't fucking care about you. I don't speak, bro.
What do you mean, bro? You don't know the fucking AirPods so much you fucking hear
I
me.
can't hear you.
You got mail. Ha, you don't know the AirPods. What about him? What about him, bro? Anyways, Miriam.
No one fucking loves you.
Yeah, AirPods. More like a yeet pods.
Yeah.
Bro, my penis weighs more than the amount of money you have.
Someone's secret. I'll get him.
I don't know what secret is. What are you watching?
It's a bitch.
Wario, I'm going to literally grab your penis. If you die first, I'm literally going to kill you. Wario, dude, you're Kenny ass man.
Wario had an AK.
No, it's fine.
Majesty.
You're just angry.
Rise and grind, gamers. Rise and grind. Shit.
Is losing half a heart in Minecraft like stubbing your toe?
So is Patrick.
They asked me how I'm mining,
Sean, you're my only target, and I know exactly where you are on the map.
Beans.
Oh.
Wait, isn't the gravity
Get
600?
back
Why are we
here.
jumping
Get back
so high?
here. Like, I'm actually pissed. I'm actually stressed.
I'm actually peed. Scout.
battle.
I got a scout. Patrick, do you have a scout?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's the time and source to make a scene.
Yeah.
I'm moving in, boys.
Patrick brought a Dak to the table.
Patrick, why?
Please, no. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, if you're so
Hurry.
sorry.
Quick,
Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
Wait, one's a
Let
big
it
throwing a grenade. Hang on.
Let it
me throw this
be.
grenade. Aww.
Oh,
I didn't do
Yeah,
a
you
thing.
think you can get away from me? I'm really good. Oh.
I died.
Oh my god, Elle. Just died.
Famous famous lines from
The Lorax.
from the Lord.
From the Lord.
Don't you.
I am the Lorax and I speak. Dude, leave me.
What the hell did I just throw, Patrick?
Hey Jude. A bum. Fucking hell.
Bro, games
What's a
played
scout?
fast.
What's a scout?
SSG.
I ran out of time.
Patrick, what the hell?
That's not a sword!
A lot of game stuff. Go. It was in.
I don't want this.
I did not kill her on purpose, okay?
Oh my god. I just realized I don't even need.
I do not want this.
I do not.
Leave me. Fucking Sean shooting me first, and then I'm like, oh damn, I'm really dead. Do not shoot me, Sean. I'm not gonna shoot.
Patrick, are you disabled? He was above you.
Okay, do not.
Your mom was above me.
Oh, Patrick.
No, I don't mean like.
Alright, Patrick, you know what the thing is? Okay,
And
Patrick.
with my gun.
Yeah,
And we
can I
could-
robot?
Okay, we're not gonna kill each other anymore, Sean.
Yeah. Okay, let's go unders. Let's go unders and let's go mid to A. How's that sound, like?
I have to get fucking AIDS, you little shithead. If we lose, shut your mouth. Maybe you should have followed the fucking bomb instead of all rushing mid.
Oh, I don't know what I heard then. Probably my music, to be honest.
I hope your mum gets arrested tomorrow.
Behind you.
Oh my god, I survived. Wait, what?
Behind you. Whoa.
Oh, Yellow, you're so cool, dude. Okay, clutch up then. Clutch up then. Clutch up then. If you're gonna fucking stab me, clutch up.
Okay, yeah, watch this.
Clutch up, bitch.
Oh,
You
this
fucking
fucking thing.
150 ping faggot. Nice.
Oh,
I'm so
shit.
glad you killed me. I'm so glad you killed me. Great.
I can rap.
Nah, can I do the beatbox?
Hey, you beatbox and then purple rap.
Alright. Alright, ready?
Alright, go.
Are you gonna fucking beatbox or what? Again, Orange, bro. You need to pick up your fucking game, bro. I'm getting real fucking sick of this shit.
Coons, you deserve to die.
I fucking told him to fucking look! And what does he do? He turns around and stares me in the fucking eye. And then runs in front of me so I can't shoot the cunt. Can we please kick one of these fools? Like, if you go mid, you've got cerebral palsy. Hang on, guys. I'm sending a very long and elaborate text to this bitch that I'm trying to fuck. Hold on.
Watch this one, Deke. Okay.
Just leave now.
Distract him.
Make noise.
Good, good, good.
Hey,
It was a noble sacrifice. Gotta hit that skeet quickly. Through the window, through the walls. Till the sweat drops off my balls. No, the hose, no.
Don't go bench, man.
Yeah, yeah, buddy.
Ooh, connector.
That's how to wash my breath. All that Mountain Dew, Mountain Dew, Mountain Dew. That's why I'm green. I love Mountain Dew. I love Mountain Dew. It's like go-go juice for Honey Boo Boo. The interesting thing about Honey Boo Boo is she's no boo boo, but a baby. What's this?
Oh, easy.
Hello, cheesecake. Hello, cheesecake. 4 late at night. Hello, cheesecake.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Oh, he's playing. He plays. Whoa. GameStar.
Why'd you mess that up? Yeah, that's all Purple stuff. Why'd you do that to me, Purple?
She's tag 69, the perfect number.
Hero, I don't. Oh, 69!
And also, Orange did he still kinda does owe me like $50 from all the games that he's bought through my
Can you
card.
shut up?
This dude really be pooping his pants out here. I want the defuse, I want the defuse, I want the defuse.
Yeah, sure.
But I
Guys,
was gonna
no,
Did you want to
don't kill him. I think he's going B.
Oh.
Anybody like, Kranskis?
Who?
How do you guys not eat Kranskis?
No, please, let me get it, please let.
No time, no time to defuse. No time. I'm blind, I'm blind. Yeah, come to spawn, come to spawn. Yeah, I'm alright. Bruh. Hey, can you play mining? Parody of drowning?
Let me spell it for you.
Now I'm crying every server I go on. Yeah, it's aspiring. Minecraft, 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 Minecraft. I'm just mining.
Minecraft. We're talking about Minecraft.
I feel like I'm holding a mountain every server I go on. It's aspiring. Minecraft, 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 Minecraft. I'm just mining.
That's pretty fucking, like, epic, dude.
Kill me.
No.
Kill me.
No.
Kill me.
No.
Kill me.
Hit that gamer, girls. Do you know who Dingle Bingle is?
The big booty gamer grill.
I like flashbangs.
Green, it's a real
I
plan
still
for
see
pit.
your armor in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love it.
Why am I so bad at this game?
No, you're carrying.
Last one's in mid, hello?
Hello! Welcome to Fazbear's Pizzeria.
Shoot me.
Why?
No, never mind, no. Prank.
I've got, as you can see, an orb, a Glock, a knife, and a flashbang. Whatever I land on, that's what's gonna hit your head.
That's hot. Nah. That wasn't me talking, that was the frogs, man.
Holy shit, man. I should have seen that.
That's it, for sure.
I'm
gonna deagle this man.
No, just try and cancel.
I'm gonna deagle this man. Give me this piece.
Damn, true. Bruh, have a Badamento.
Where did you get your mic?
At the Badamento store. Have a Badamento.
Are you serious? Only 46!
Come on, Bernie, mate. Clutch it for the Republican.
Nice one, boys.
Oh, that was an accident.
What you doing to me, huh?
Why'd you do that?
The team
Can
blue.
you not use an AWP, please?
Oh! Just hold sight, right? Key. Bang. Roger. That's why I don't stomp around, dude.
Finish, stomp around, dude.
At least finish me off.
Don't kill me, don't kill me. Him and Pablo are just like best friends. If one drops out of school, the other has to as well. Do you know what? I'm just gonna follow him because I want that all.
Boy.
Okay, we're gonna follow you to try to get that orb. Is that okay?
You wanna get the spread?
Just gonna actually bait him. Just completely just bait him. Don't stop. Just stand at his back as well. Just follow him. The whole team are purple. I'm gonna kill him.
Trap him, get him. Oh, he pulled a sneaky on us.
Go around.
Who flashed?
Are they the Vita gummies?
Keemstar flavor G Fuel. That's a good flavor. Second best apart from Kransky's. Kransky G Fuel. That'll be good. Think about that, Kransky. Anybody else be thinking about that, Kransky? I'm gonna see if any of them have actual names. Why don't I check Frank the Tank first? You want? Oh no, his first name's Mitchell.
Sitting on the chair. I get that.
I'm sorry, I didn't think I'd flick it. If I was stupid, I think I would sound like a purple. Hey. I guess we're gonna have to play Minecraft now. Well, I guess we gotta play Minecraft now.
I'm just saying, I got some mad skills, bro. Get that Zucker. Yeah, I got him. Alright,
Wait, just watch him. I'm gonna go from middle to theirs.
No, I'm so close. I was...
Ethan! Alright, Ethan or Sean, can you just stay at Emeralds?
I got 10
Wait,
charges.
where's all our iron gone? I got their bed. I killed one. 3 hearts.
I'm still alive.
Go, Reese. Yes! Fuck, he's low. Got it. Wait, yeah, team. Got it.
I swear if you guys both die.
Yeah.
Alright, I got 6 diamonds.
Yeah, Iron Forge.
Relax. What do you think I'm trying to do?
No,
Hey,
deeply.
I just helped.
I got red. So I can show them from blue.
you
red! Wait, I'm here.
Got it.
Yeah, I know.
Kill him, boys. Kill him.
Let him kill himself.
Alright.
This is what I need, and go on. Okay.
Alright, guys, I'm coming. Oh, I think he's on red. I heard building.
But I'm building.
Bro, stop doing that to me. I hit him with the arrow.
He's coming to red.
He fell off, didn't he?
No. I'm trying a noob.
Piss off, piss off, piss off! No!
Yeah, I only have 40 blast proof. Is that good enough?
Shit, there's people!
Wait, you only
Run!
you
Get up!
you.
I fell! Hurry up and die, Ethan. Sean, are you filming right now?
Nah. I wish I was filming.
No. Yeah, and excuse me, who would have invaded your base? Some rando? Oh my god!
He's coming! Ethan, he's here!
Good.
The screen. This guy does Minecraft. He's like going through severe depression. He's getting like actual treatment and shit, and he's going off somewhere. And it's like costing him thousands of dollars.
That's hilarious. No.
Get him up, get him,
Wait,
get him, get him. No, no, no!
I heard the no!